Building an Amazon affiliate empire the right way. An Amazon affiliate business has to sound like the best idea in the world to anyone serious about making a living from online sources. And we dare to say that perhaps it sounds too good to be true in most cases. You'll find lots of people that have become successful Amazon affiliates and are making 5- and 6-figure salaries from their affiliate websites alone. And they have good reasons to be hyped about the U-turn that their lives have made, thanks to the Amazon Associates program. And maybe that's why many people think that really, an Amazon affiliate business is too good to be true. What those people don't realize is that building an Amazon empire the right way can be a monumental task at first, especially if you're not tech savvy. But it pays off very well in the end. And in this video, we're going to show the elements that have allowed many people to leave their day jobs by building successful Amazon affiliate businesses. Always be on the lookout for new niches. The best way to make a living as an Amazon affiliate is by building several affiliate websites, each one dedicated to a high-converting niche. Those people making millions in Amazon affiliate revenue are not killing it with just one website. They have an army of affiliate websites, and they are putting their hearts and souls into keeping them relevant. Collect long-tail and low-search keywords at first. We're aware that we've already mentioned keywords a bit too much during this training, but quality keywords will be the backbone of your Amazon affiliate businesses. Sometimes it will be easier to find your niche by finding keywords first, and sometimes you will find your keywords by deciding a niche first. The truth is that even low-search keywords are important because they will help you to rank your Amazon affiliate websites on top. Do your keyword research on Google and look for niche sites on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th pages of results and collect all the keywords that they're targeting. Write lengthy content on your sites. You will have to become used to writing helpful content. Remember that Amazon doesn't like sales pitches. They only want quality content linking to their products. Coincidentally, this is what will make it easier for you to write lengthy content. Why? Because lengthy content will allow you to set your imagination free and to cover everything there is to cover about a particular product or a set of products. Content that goes as far as 7,500 words is also favored by Google, so take your time. Always select the best hosting services. You will be tempted to go cheap at the beginning, but there will come a time when you will have to shell out money on quality services. This includes your hosting services because Google dislikes and even penalizes sites that are slow to load, which is bad for your affiliate business. Do not focus on social media too much. Having a social media presence is important for your business, but don't count on it to make your affiliate business better. Unless you can have a dedicated person taking care of your social media channels, being in charge of social media will eat up time that you can dedicate to your affiliate websites. Work towards becoming an authority. Becoming an authority in your niche will give you an extra edge because your sites will be the go-to sites for people looking for answers. Do your research on popular sites such as Yahoo Answers and on forums, and focus on creating content geared towards answering those questions.